welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Kirsty. I do hope that you do stick around and subscribe and become a part of my little family over here. So today I decided to just film quickly a tutorial on how I apply my lashes. It's what I would like to call a crackhead method because it's actually crazy. But I've tried the whole wait for the glue to get tacky situation, and for me it just doesn't work. It doesn't. So this was for me what works. And yeah, so just stick around and see how I do that. I've already done my face. I'm actually in the process of filming a different video, so you know, if you clock it, you clock it, but you don't have to talk about it. So let me just start off by applying mascara to my eyelashes. Standard mascara, although I need to get a new one because this one is really drying out. It's not even cute. I really need to get a new one. But yeah, just gonna apply mascara to my lashes. So you're going to need a compact mirror, preferably like any sort of mirror, but I find it's easier to use this one because I can fold it and I can look at it, but I can also have it like under me, and you really are going to need to be able to look under your lashes. And whatever you use to apply your lashes, I prefer to use a set of tweezers and your glue, which I am looking for, which was just here. I use the Isla Lash Fix Clear Finish because this method is really messy. So I highly recommend a clear finish glue, and like in the beginning until you know you've got it on lock. And then of course a pair of lashes for you to stick on. So the first thing you're going to do is place your lashes in your tweezers like so. Grab your glue. I know my stuff looks ratty. It's been through hell and back. 2020 is not treating anything cute, including the lashes and the glue. You're gonna want to put like strictly on the lash band a relatively generous amount. Not too much though, because then it gets messy. But just enough like it to be solid and opaque, like so. And then with your mirror looking down, you're going to just want to place the wet glue. See why I said use a clear glue? I've already got glue there. The wet glue on your lash line, like right above your lashes, like so. And then you're going to want to leave that there to get tacky. And then while that one is doing what it's doing, we'll prep the other one. And then yeah, just gonna wait for it to dry down. Really, not like dry down, but for it to turn clear like it has now. And then also for the glue that was on the lash to be clear, like so. And then right where you had initially put that glue, you're gonna come and place your lash, and then just, you know, stick it down. And I like to press my lashes into my falsies just so that they like blend as well as possible. You might poke yourself in the eye doing this. It happens. It happens to the best of us. Yeah, my eye is even watering because I'm not blinking. And then you're done and your lash is on. Okay, and now we're just gonna do the same thing with the other one, so I'm just gonna fast forward through this part. how I do that. Now I'm just gonna add mascara and to my lower lashes because I already applied to my upper lashes. Though I think for the purposes of blending, I'll apply to my upper lashes as well. To my actual lashes though, not the falsies, because then they're just a whole load of cleanup. Yeah, so that's all I have for you for today's how to apply your lashes tutorial. I know my method is a bit unorthodox, but it does help me anyway apply my lashes, and hopefully it will help you apply your lashes. Yo, ha! Hopefully it will help you apply your lashes better and have them last throughout the day. I'm gonna get on with my day. Do stick around and watch another video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if this video was helpful. If you think my method could help you, if you already use this sort of method, if you've tried it out and it did help you, do let me know in the comment section down below. Do follow me on my social media handles. They will be linked, and stay tuned for whatever videos YouTube decides to suggest for you from my channel. I will catch you in the next one. Thank you so much for tuning in. Stay safe, stay in quarantine, please stay safe, and I will catch you in my next one. Bye.